Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal cream pies. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line 2 baking sheets with parchment or silicone mats. Cream butter and brown sugar until fluffy, then add eggs and vanilla. Stir in oats, flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt until combined. Scoop dough into even rounds and bake briefly until edges set. Cool completely before filling with a smooth vanilla cream for best texture. Start by creaming butter and brown sugar until light and airy, then add eggs one at a time and vanilla. Fold in oats and dry ingredients gently to keep texture tender. Use a 1/2 tablespoon scoop to portion dough so cookies match for sandwiches. Bake on prepared sheets, rotating pans halfway for even color. Allow the cookies to cool fully on racks before assembling to prevent the cream from melting. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more baking guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They make standing at the mixer more comfortable and slightly less dramatic when you drop a tray. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a pair if you want a cozy bonus while you bake. Now let's get back to the video. Make the cream by beating room temperature butter with powdered sugar until smooth and whipped. Add vanilla and a splash of milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach a creamy, pipeable texture similar to frosting. Transfer the filling to a pastry bag or use a spoon to apply evenly to half the cookies. Press matching cookie tops gently to form sandwiches and chill briefly to set the filling before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.